It breaks my heart into a million little pieces to say this next thing I'm going to say. Shame. I deserve that. My friends, it's almost time for us to say goodbye for this year at BroadwayCon. But, you know we like to go out in a big way, and we like to go out celebrating the thing that we all love so much, which is Broadway. So I want to invite you guys to participate as we move this. We'll be moving into our signature BroadwayCon YouTube sing-along dance. Party is coming up because we know what to do. Now, before we get there, I know that we want to grab a couple fun moments, and I believe that we have a very special guest here with us. Is that correct in saying so? Please welcome to the stage, Melissa and Nelly. I know, it makes me sad. It makes my heart cry a little bit.
It does. We know it's coming every time.
So many amazing memories were made on this stage and in our panel rooms and our sing-alongs, and I love seeing that you guys really connect and make special friends that will go on long after we leave the New York Hilton today. So that's so special to me, don't you think?
I hear that every year, what friends got made and what things we learned, and for me, I love seeing all the tributes this year.
Absolutely. That personal concert's outrageous.
Wow, it's only going to get bigger and better next year, so we're really excited. So thank you so much to everybody who has come and supported this little community event we call BroadwayCon. But now we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a little send-off that we want to include all of you in. So what's going to happen is everyone take out your phone and put on your flashlight like you're at the end of a concert, you know, so you know. Okay.
I see stars, 20 stars tonight.
Oh, that's so pretty. Can we, all be going in sync so that it, so I'll just keep going like this so that it all just is going in the right direction. Okay.
The people up in the balcony.
Just keep going like this. And on the count of 3, for the camera, we're going to do a We Love BroadwayCon. Ready? You guys ready? 1, and a 2, 3. We love Thank you all so much. We're going to have to do fun for a while.
All right, next special moment that we want to capture. And I'm learning in real time about a lot of things in this crazy digital age we live in. But I was recently told about something called TikTok. And I don't know what it is, but we're about to do one. So we have a very special TikTok celeb here with us today. Giving us I love that. Okay, so tell me, just give me like a quick run at what's TikTok?
TikTok is an app where you lip sync to different audios, and particularly because I'm a musical person, I lip sync to a lot of musical audio.
Yeah, good. I like that. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bring our special friends, gonna walk on here. We're gonna count to 3. Wait, what's your name?
C.
Hi, it's just C. And I like it. Wrong sale, anyone? Okay. I got you. All right. We're going to count 1, 2, 3. C is going to jump in the air. When C makes contact with the floor once again, we're all going to scream and hoot and holler and throw our arms up like crazy lunatic people. Do we need more light in this room to do this? More light or less light? More. We need more light in the house for this. Yeah. We can't? This is going to be a really sad TikTok. Okay. We can't put light on that? All right. Okay. So, when C lands, we're gonna go berserk, right? Okay. And 1, 2, 3. Should we do another one? We're good? You guys know it the first time at Celine Dion's recording studio. Well, thank you, C, so very much. So much for being here and being part of BroadwayCon. All right. So let's fire up this YouTube party, yeah? Let's do this thing. You know the drill. Get on your feet, come down here, fill the space, live your best life. I want to feel your energy before we all say goodbye to each other. I think our first clip here, if I'm not mistaken, Alright, so, for this, my friends, we've got a couple today because, time is short, Time is money. So, I want everybody to grab somebody's hand, find a friend, hold a hand, and I want us to sing along together for Seasons of Love.
Oh, this is gonna be...
Absolutely.
Broadway show about young people in downtown New York City.
I need some people to hold hands with me.
Hardships, including the here to perform the song Seasons of Love. Please welcome Tony Award winning cast.
Yeah, go. Don't knock over the thing. No. Sit. We'll sing with them. Here we go. 529,600 minutes. 525,000 moments of year. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year? In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee. I want to hear you. In miles of laughter and striving. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year in the life of love? How about seasons of I'm a belter. 525,600 minutes. 525,032 for air. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure life of a woman or a man? Truths that she learned, or times that she cried. In bridges, let me hear you. For the way that she died. The story never ends. Let's celebrate December with tears of life. Seasons of everyone hug somebody nearby. Give some shut it up. Let's party away. Let's see that next clip. Ooh. All right. I want ponies.
You can
so much, it's weird.